Hello guys, welcome to second video. This is the part 2 for Apache Kafka multinode cluster. So earlier, if you miss part 1, so please go through part 1 because all basic thing we did in part 1. So this is part 2. So in this part we will configure Apache Kafka cluster and start it and do some testing, topic creation and consumer and producer things, right? Okay, so as you know, we have uh, done these steps, these much steps, all steps up to here. So now it's time to configure Kafka, right? So as you know, we have 3 node cluster in CP. If you have good laptop, if you have a good machine with good configuration, so you can use your own laptop or VMs to configure Apache Kafka. So before configuring installing, you have go through to system requirement. So you'll get brief info about system requirement, like how much system requirement we need for Apache Kafka. Okay, so this thing we did. Now as you know, we have Thnode in Google Cloud Platform. Okay, so now we'll here we have everything ready, right? Kafka and Zookeeper, all machines, all 3 machines. Oops, sorry, my bad. And this one. Okay, so next thing is we have to do a Zookeeper configuration first. So in Zookeeper, you have to do 2 things. You have to provide servers and you have to create my ID. This is a unique ID of Zookeeper. This is the first thing. So go to configuration directory under Zookeeper. Here you will see nothing. So you have to create Zookeeper directory. So first we'll configure first. Here you will see nothing. Like nothing means you have log4j and zoo sample. So here you have to create zookeeper.property file first. This is the main file, and one data directory you have to create. Okay, so you can use your own disk, different disk. So Zook is like for Zookeeper, like recommendation is you have to use different disk for this, for no data loss and corruptions. So you have to, okay, this step should be first here. So first you have to create it for data. This is a data directory. So it should be created on all machines. It's done. Now it's time to do this. I will reproduce it. Okay, now you have to create zookeeper.property file. It will be empty, and you have to put these properties. This property, if you want to learn more about this property, you have to go to Zookeeper site because it's brief thing, so I can't explain it very quick. Okay, so high level you have you in high level understanding, you have to see like this is a data directory, simple, like where data will save, all data will save here. This is the client port, one log directory also there, so I didn't put. This is a client port from like from where client will connect, and this is the server ports in between server ports, and these all servers. Okay, and this much how much client time and all you have to read using Zookeeper site. So first I saved it. Again I have to create into different, because we are going to configure 3 node Zookeeper cluster, right? So again you have to go here, make sure it should be configuration directory, this one, and just put it. This second thing and third, not second thing, second server, and this is the third server, and just copy. So I think we are good. Now I told you two things we have to create. This is the first thing we have created. Second thing is my ID. In my ID we have to put 1 2 3 in using different server. I will tell you how. Copy this, go to first server, paste it, put 1 here, save it. Go to second server, put 2 here, save it. Go to third server, paste it, enter 3 server. So 1 2 3 we have put it. Now this is done with this Apache Kafka, right? It's done. Second thing is, sorry, not Apache Kafka, my bad. This is Zookeeper. So Zookeeper for coordination, Apache Kafka cluster. So now Apache Kafka will configure. So everything will be in this directory, config directory for Apache Kafka. Zookeeper is done for now. So here also we have to create log directory for Apache Kafka. So it should be up, right? It should be here. Okay, so first we'll create it for data. Logs means like data, whatever data will have like topic data, it will be in this directory. So 3 is Broker will create. So go to this directory. If you are not getting, like I'll put everything into my blog website. Okay, so see, so here some unique broker ID will have. So we have 3 brokers, right? So 0 1 2, that kind of uh, broker ID will be there. So here 0, and second thing is this we have to enable listener, plain text listener. So it will take automatically host name or IP from here, and this thing with no need to enable advertisement. So broker ID 0 we have did, and this is the thing, Zookeeper connect, because Zookeeper will coordinate with Zookeepers, and and brokers. So it will take care all coordination. So here Zookeeper, we have to find Zookeeper connect. Zookeeper, Zookeeper, this one. So this is host, this is local host. So we'll delete it. Paste new one. No need to save. One more thing we have to add. This one. Where it is? Where it is? This one. So in this log, this one directory. Paste it and save it. So first is done. Same thing we have to do here. Should be here. Okay, now second server. So now we have Zookeeper broker 0 in this server. We will have broker 1. So we have to change this one. This one, come down, then this should be listener. Now it's plain text. If you have Kerberos or SSL enabled, so if you have only SSL, so you have to use SSL either plain text, and SASL SSL for Kerberos SSL. So let it be. We'll go one by one. Let it complete this. So this one also we have to delete and paste this one. And third one is Zookeeper connect. This one. Delete it, add it. This second thing, second server, and this one is third server. Okay, this one. Go here, cd, oops, have to do cd, right? Cd vi, and this is third, means 0 1 2. 1 is done, then 2. Next one is listener, and next one is, oops, I think it's gone. Okay, log directory. This one, set, and okay. Next one, last one is Zookeeper connect, right? I think it's here only. Yeah, this one. So if you see properties, it has created separate for all services, all settings. So this is done. So no, now we configure Zookeeper and Zookeeper and Kafka server, right? Next thing is, we already did it, so no need to change it. Now we have to start service. So how to start it? Using no hub. No hub, just read it. No hub is like it will start your service in background. Okay, so just now we'll start directly to see everything working or not. Do sh and this started successfully. Started successfully. St- Started successfully. So we are good, right? If you want to see status, okay, this directory is not present. So let we have to create it, because zoo sample is there. I missed this step. Zoo sample is there. Zookeeper dot c zoo dot cfg is not there, right? So let me create it. See, we have to create, I think, okay. So let me fix this issue. I lost this setting. See, this directory is not there. It will show same error. See, so we'll stop it. We'll kill this service and we'll again ps hyphen. It's not running. Okay, so it's not started yet. It's showing started, but that file is not there. So we have to create that file. So let me create that file. I have already that have sample file. So this is the file. So it's just sample file. If you'll see in config, you will see this file already here. Not this one, not this one, not this one. I'm sorry. Zookeeper. If we'll go to Zookeeper, you will see sample CSV file. This one. So this one we have to create, rename it with Zookeeper. So see, everything will be same, right? So just we have to move, sorry, cp zoo dot cfg. That's it. One step I missed. So pwt, like this we have to create, paste like this. So it will work for all. So it's created here. See, it's created. So I have to create into all server. Oops, whatever. Okay, my bad. cp, you're getting right what I'm trying to explain. If you are not getting, please let me know. I will try to help you out. So I am creating this file into this particular location. It's already there. Yes, now it will work here. Done. Done. Okay, finger cross. Now it should work. Now we'll start it again. Zookeeper started. 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 Okay, this step, which step I missed? CP wala. This step. So I have to copy it here. Now it should show status is running with leaders. Uh, some error we have seen, something is missing. Hello guys, as you know we were getting one issue, right? We are not able to start uh, services, right? It was showing started, but when we are we are looking at this status, it was showing error. So I will show you what is the error. I got the error. So status, it will show, it is showing it is probably not running. So what mistake we did, this my id we have created into this directory, but we have to create this my id into zk data. So again, how I found this issue, uh, pwd not here, the conf. So you will see zookeeper out, and in zookeeper out it is clearly saying that it's not able to find my id file, missing file under zk data. So why zk data? Because we have did zk data here, and we have created my file into my id. So we have to we'll create it into zk data, otherwise we'll move this file into zk data. So how we'll move mv this file into this, just copy and paste. You're getting my point, right? So what we'll did, so that's why, like, we have to see what configuration we are doing. Once if we'll miss one step, or if we'll provide wrong path, it will throw an error. Like error, if you'll get error, so you will learn more, right? So just simply I'm moving this my id into zk directory, all folder, all servers. So now we'll do start. So hopefully it will work. Got my point. This my id should be in zk data, because we are providing data directory as a zk data. Okay, so we have to start. Yeah, this is a mistake, like it is a configuration mistake, I accept it. Okay, so and we fixed it. Now start it Okay, sorry, my bad. I did wrong command. Fi wrong command. Copy it. Start command. Okay, now start it. Okay, just fire this command. This is first. Started. Second. Started. And third. Started. Okay, we started three zookeepers. Now we'll see status. Is the status working or not? Oh, it's working. This is a follower. Oh, sorry. It should be this. This is leader, and the, this should be follower. So one leader, two follower. So you have to see like how Zookeeper works. It's big concept. Now this is done. Now this is done. Next thing we have to start Kafka. So how Kafka we have to start using this. Just copy and paste. It should not throw any error. Started. See, started. One broker. Started. And this one is third broker. So we successfully started and configured 3 node cluster, Kafka cluster with Zookeeper. Okay, without Zookeeper it won't work. In future, maybe this coordinator will inbuilt with Zookeeper. Sorry, with Kafka. So now stop it and run it background. I stopped it and it will run it background using no hub. No hub is like in background command, like it will go run process in background. Start it. Start. Start. So three this Kafka broker will start. If you want to see it's working or not, just ps grep server.prop. So you will see this. See, it's working. This is the idea of this. So it's working. Now our Kafka cluster is ready to go. Now if you want to test, now you can test. See, replication factor is 3, partition 3, and in a partition we can't say 3, we can, it depends on like data and for what purpose you are using. So the cluster is ready. Now we'll do some testing. We can say it's bit simple testing. We'll create one topic and we'll do consumer producer, different broker. So as you know we have 3 brokers, right? So create the topic. I think I missed something. Okay, we have to copy it. The replication factor 3. Okay, it should create. Okay, it's created. Topic is created. Now if you'll see the list of topic is there. Now I will show you one thing. If we'll create replication 4, right, it won't work because let's see. See, replication factor is 4 larger than available brokers. So it will throw an error. So now we are for sure we have 3 brokers running, right? So it's created. If you'll see list, you can see list from any broker. We have created this topic using broker 1, right? This broker. So here you can see a list. So it will work everywhere. See, now test. So this one, we not this one, we have created 3. So we'll see consumer and producer. So we'll run producer first using broker 1, and we'll consume data using broker 2. So just push data high all, what's going on. And you can send data like from other brokers. So third broker I can send data, right? So I will show you from third broker as well. We can send data. For sure it will work. It should work. Okay. So this broker 2, broker 1, this one is broker. So here, hey, hi all, Samir here. It should work. It should work. Hey Samir, how are you? So this is the thing. This is the messaging application, we can say. We can create using Kafka, like it's example. So many things we can do using Kafka. So this is a plain multi-node Apache Kafka cluster. In maybe next tutorial I will try to create Kerberos and SSL enable Kafka cluster, multi-node Kafka cluster, Apache Kafka cluster, and also we'll see Confluent Kafka cluster, multi-node Confluent Kafka cluster. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please share, comment, subscribe, and give me suggestion to create new video, like what new thing is coming, how we integrate these things, which use case we can create these things. Please let me know. Thank you guys. And as you know, this is my website, right? So in this website you will see this all you will get this you can get this website this script, this Kafka cluster configuration script, as well as I have full configuration bundle. I have downloaded whatever I configured just now. I've downloaded it. Just you can use it, and you can just you have to like change servers. That's it. So you can use this bundle. So I will put this bundle as well with this web link, with this web link, and you can configure. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much again. Thank you guys.